The 10 News Weather Authority, always watching and tracking for you from the JES Weather Center.
Hi there, friends. I'm Chief Meteorologist Jeff Hanowich. We've been talking for months about something called an El Nino. Well, we are now transferring and transitioning over to something called a La Nina. La Nina is going to be kind of the name of the game for us here as we head into the summer months. So what is La Nina? Well, it's cooler water in the Pacific. Generally speaking, it brings wetter weather to the west and less thunderstorms to the east. So usually it's wetter along the Pacific coastline and drier along the Atlantic coastline. However, when you have a La Nina, you have less wind shear in the oceans, and that favors hurricane development. That's important because as we look at the 2024 hurricane season, it's forecast. All the pundits right now are forecasting a higher than average hurricane season. In an average year, we have 14 named storms, 7 of which become hurricanes, 3 of which become major hurricanes. Both Colorado State and North Carolina State have their forecasts out, and everybody is saying an above-average hurricane season is headed our way. So we're going to have to see what happens here beginning in June and lasting all the way into the fall. No tropical activity outside right now. However, we are watching a tornado watch in areas north of us into Ohio, Pennsylvania, and West Virginia. Without question, these showers and thunderstorms will indeed stay to the north of us, impacting areas near Youngstown and Pittsburgh and Erie. Not going to be impacting us whatsoever. So all the severe weather threat is going to stay to the north of southwest central and south side Virginia here as we head into tonight. That being said, there might be a little ribbon of moisture that comes off of it and that provides the highlands, mainly areas north of Interstate 64, the chance for just a couple of showers or thunderstorms here closer to midnight. Okay? So for the most part, today has been dry. Later this evening may have a couple of showers or thunderstorms into Highland and Bath counties. As that little system drifts to the south, it will likely fall apart pretty rapidly, and then the rest of the night is pretty quiet. Thursday's pretty. Thursday's very warm. It's dry, a little bit breezy, but again, if you didn't see sunshine today, you will tomorrow. Thursday night, clouds start to build, and then by Friday morning, we're going to be mostly cloudy. Friday morning may have a stray shower or two, but a better chance for rain will come in from lunchtime on Friday. So overall on Friday, we're going to have a better chance for some scattered showers and maybe even a couple of thunderstorms. But the instability on Friday looks to be, at least at this point, pretty low. So for the rest of today, we're going to have the worst of the weather staying to the north of us along the Great Lakes states. On Thursday, that severe weather threat is maximized in the plains and also into the Midwest. And then on Friday, that severe weather threat will likely be just south of the region towards the Carolinas and also towards Georgia. So again, we're going to be on the unsettled side Friday, but again, I don't anticipate seeing any severe weather, at least at this point. Please stay tuned to your local weather authority. 69 right now in Hot Springs, 68 Wytheville, 78 in Roanoke, also in Danville, 77 Lynchburg. Even though we had clouds today, we got pretty warm, and we're going to be even warmer tomorrow with additional sunshine. High temperatures zone by zone, 80 in the NRV, 82 Covington and Clifton Forge, cooler northbound on 220, middle 80s Roanoke, Lynchburg, and south side. For tonight, clouds will be on the decrease later tonight. May have a couple of showers or thunderstorms to dodge, but they're going to be few and far between. Pretty mild out there. Overnight lows tonight, 50s and lower 60s. For the day tomorrow, warming up big time. Breezy, no doubt, especially in the afternoon, but we're dry and pretty sunny. Highs tomorrow mainly in the 80s. Higher terrain will stay in the 70s. We fall into the 70s everywhere on Friday, staying in the 70s on Saturday. 60s return Sunday, Monday, and we're right back into the 70s again on Tuesday and Wednesday. It looks like we're going to have a better chance for at least a little bit of rain on Friday. Sunday looks to be a little wetter than Saturday, but please, on Sunday, at least at this point, do not cancel any outdoor plans. It looks like the best chance for rain on Sunday will be in areas south of 460. And then on Earth Day and also on Tuesday of next week, just a slight chance for a shower. So the forecast does not look terrible here for the next 7 days.